Hello everyone, myself Jasmine. Welcome you all to Dew Public School Chandigarh. So dear students, today I will teach you Standard 5 Science Chapter 8, that is Matter. And here we will learn about the states of matter, solid, liquid and gases. So here learning intention is understand what the states of matter are, and you have to understand what the particles in solid, liquid, gases look like. Okay, so we were going to that in the previous class we have learned about what is the matter. So matter is anything that can take up space. Okay, so what is the matter? Matter is anything that can take up space. So what are the three phases of matter, students? Three phases of matter are solid, liquid and gases. Okay, so these are some examples of solid, liquid and gases. Solids are hat, pencils, skateboard, table, snow, bicycle, apple, computer, tree, house are the example of solids. Liquids, example are water in pool, then your juice, soup, hot chocolates, milk, drink, rain, all are the example of liquids. An example of gases are wind, air, hot air balloon, wind from fans, steam, fog, wind. These are the example of gases. Okay, so these are all about the example of solid, liquid and gases. Now we will learn about the properties of solid, liquid and gas. First we will learn about the solid state of matter. So, a solid is a state of matter that has a definite shape and volume. That means a solid has a fixed shape and size. Has a fixed shape and size. Okay. So, it doesn't change shape when transferred from one container to another. Okay. The particles of a substance in a solid state are very close to each other and there is a strong attraction between them. As the molecules in a solid are packed together, you can see here how the molecules are closely packed with each other, and that's why these cannot move freely due to the strong force of attraction between them. Okay, so the solids, in the solid the molecules are packed together, very closely packed, very tightly packed with each other. That's why they cannot move freely due to the strong force of attraction between them. For example, ice, wood, diamond, coffee beans, all are the example of solids. Okay, next. So you can see here how the strong bonds between the molecules in the solids. Okay, so now is liquid. What is the liquid state of a matter? So liquid is a state of matter that has a definite volume but no definite shape. That means a liquid doesn't have a fixed shape. Okay, it takes the shape of its container. What does it mean? It takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. For example, if you take a glass, then the water takes the shape of the glass. Okay, if you take a bottle, then the water takes the shape of the bottle. So it takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. So now the question is, although liquids change the shape, the volume stays the same. But now the question is, why can the liquid change its shape? Okay, because its molecules are tightly packed together. Molecules are not tightly packed together. Okay, it can change its shape because the molecules are not tightly packed together. This is due to the strong force of attraction between them. The loosely packed molecules allow the liquids to flow freely and takes the shape of the container. Okay, so as there is some spaces between the molecules, So there is very less force of attraction, very weak force of attraction between the molecules of a liquid. That's why they can flow freely and take the shape of a container easily. For example, water, milk, syrup, these are the example of liquids. Okay. Now is the gas. What is the gaseous state of a matter? The gas is the state of matter that has no definite shape or volume. Okay, that means gas doesn't have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of a container in which it is filled. Okay, the particles of a gas move quickly, so they can break away completely from one another. How you see how they are very loosely packed with each other, and the amount of space between the gas particles can change. The molecules of the gas are very loosely packed and are able to flow freely as they have very strong force of attraction. Okay. So therefore the gases occupy all the available space. For example, air. Okay. You see, in case of liquid and gases, there is very less force of attraction. The gases have more force of attraction than that of liquids. Okay. Now question is, why is a solid not considered a fluid? Because all fluids have the capacity to flow, but solid do not have these characteristics. Therefore, they are not fluids. For example, flour doesn't flow when poured. Instead, it forms a heap. And sand doesn't flow when poured. It forms a pile. Okay. So this is all about the states of matter. Now we will discuss some questions. Fill in the blanks. Anything that occupies space and has gas is called matter. H, weight. Okay. Three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. A gas doesn't have a fixed shape and it takes the shape of container on which it is stored. This is your liquid. An example of matter that exists in all the three states is, we can take the example of water. Molecules are the farthest apart in the gas state of matter, gaseous state of matter. Farthest apart means gaseous states of matter. A syrup takes the dash of a container, takes the shape of a container. Dash is the mixture of gases. I have already told air is the mixture of gases. Solids have fixed shape and size. Shape and size. So this is all about your solid, liquid and gaseous state of a matter. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.